Welcome back. Hurricane Michael. We're doing fuel pump stuff. Let's get in there.
On my shoulder. What?
You're ridiculous.
Alright guys, say on. What's your name?
Brian in the 240.
Brian in the 240X garage. We're gonna be tying shoes. You make a knot, a loop. Fuck, how do you do this? And then you do like this, and then you pull it through, and there you go.
Yo, tie that shoe, boy. I'm gonna insert that later in the video, don't worry. Alright, so the issue that we're having is that every time I fill my car, it reeks of gas. So I kind of already found the issue here, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm trying to figure out why it just reeks of fuel in here, and I think I found out why it reeks of fuel. This all looks kind of wet, so I think this line might be bad. Oh yeah, that's strong. So all I can smell from right in here is gas. So first I would think this line being a little bit cracked might be the culprit, so I might try to like cut this off and then kind of pull it up a little bit, because I'm sure there's extra hose there. And then if that doesn't work, I'm probably gonna pop these 8 mils off and check to see if there's like an O-ring in there that might be leaking of some sort, but I'm gonna check that right now. Oh yeah. Well,
You don't want to go to work tomorrow?
I can't come into work. Wow, I was huffing gas all night. My fucking eyes have been like this. Oh, dude, what's up? Yeah, what'd you do this weekend? Oh, dude, I just fucking huffed a ton of gas. Now my eyes are fucked up. What's this thing doing? Dude's mad drift. Yes, I am running 2 different wheels, but I got all these wheels. Like, I don't know what to do with all these wheels, dude. SR09s, RT8s, Hancooks. I got all these. Stacking up like a tower. Tower stack of tires. Stacking them. Nintendo for the boys. Alright, so here's the new fuel pump. Luckily Dan had one laying around because mine's super loud. I'm gonna go throw this new hose on. That goes right here. I use some RTV for now just to hope that that kind of seals around the gas tank so that I don't smell it all in the cabin. But I'm also gonna take some of this pig mat and cut it up and put it in here, so it might actually like mask up some of the smell. But I don't think it's gonna be too bad once I do this. So the verdict of messing around with the fuel pump, the car works good. There's no more issues with it, so that's always a good sign. I don't smell gas anymore, which is awesome, because I'm not sure when that O-ring there cracked or whatever, but definitely for a while there I was kind of like, every time I'd fill up it just reeked of fuel, and I was like, wow. Every time I was driving I was like, this is just a lot of fuel smell coming into the cabin, which was really bad, because I was like, that's probably not good to be breathing all the time. But luckily now it doesn't smell like fuel, and now the car runs great, and there's no more whine from the fuel pump, so I guess that was job well done.
What? Like this in a year, right on? Mounted at the right angle. And not. Sideways. I thought it was strategy.